In this video, I'm going to show you how we can give admin permission to a standard user through Delegation of Control Wizard. So this is my setup. I have a Windows Server 2019 machine and a Windows 10 client machine on which uh, domain is joined. And I have a test user. If I go to Server Manager and on the AD user and computer, AD user and computer, I have user in my name Tarun that is login to the Windows 10 client machine. So I want to give this user permission to manage this test OU. I want the permission that it can create new user, modify or delete new user in this test VM, test OU only. So to new user, if they don't know how to create OU, that is very simple. You just right click it and click on new, click on organization unit. Right. Yeah, to create new organization unit and then give the name and then the OU will be created. So now I want to give this user to manage this OU. So what I can do, I can right click it and choose the delegate control wizard. And on the delegation of control wizard, click on next. And here I will add the user to whom I want to give the admin permission. Click on next. So this is the main window task to delegate. What task you want to delegate to this user? I will choose create, delete, and manage user accounts in this OU. Click on next and click on finish. So now on the client side, first of all, you need to install this software that is available from Windows. It is known as Windows Remote Administration Tools. So if you search here Windows and Remote for Windows 10. So this is the link. Here you can download the 64-bit version. Both are present 32-bit and 64-bit. Just download your 64-bit version because Windows come in 64-bit now these days. So after downloading it, install this and now the Active Directory will show up here, Active Directory user and computers. And here you can see all the component that you have seen in the server is replicated on the client side. And here is the test to you. And we have delegated the permission to the user to create a new user. So if you want to create the new user, you can choose a new user, fill out the that form, and a new user will be created. But you can see here in the user container, this user can't create new user. There is no new option. So it means that only this OU can be managed by this Tarun user. So if you want to remove the permission, just close it from here and go to your Windows server. By default, there is no option to remove here. Remove user from here. You just go to view and click on advanced features. And now right click the test OU and choose properties. And here in the security tab, you will see the user listed. Just remove it from here. And now the permission is gone on the client side. Just search for Active Directory user and computers. It will take some time to open. Now it is open. Now right click. No option of creating new user. So in this way, you can delegate admin permission to a standard user through Delegation of Control Wizard. Thanks for watching.